Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Apple, your Ilongga vlogger. For today's video, we're making the Oreo ice cream using 2 ingredients only, and that's Oreo cookies and the Angel creme densada. For our first step, let's unpack the Oreo cookies. And then after that, go ahead and separate the filling from the cookies itself because we don't need the filling for this recipe. After separating the filling from the cookies, go ahead and put the cookies inside a plastic bag and crush it. Just like this. Then, set it aside for later use. For our creme densada, don't forget to chill it overnight before using, so it should look like this. After transferring the creme densada into a bowl, we're ready to whisk it. For this purpose, we need to double the size of the creme densada. I use 410 ml can. I realized that my mixing bowl was a little small, so I decided to transfer it in a bigger casserole and continue whisking using my hand mixer. Once the size is doubled, you can start adding the crushed Oreos and then mix it thoroughly. Just continue mixing until it's fully combined. Now I'm totally satisfied with the texture of this Oreo ice cream, so I'm ready to transfer it into our container. I was able to fill 2 microwavable tubs, one 750 ml I think, and then the other one is 250 ml. I also decided to open another pack of Oreo cookies, crushed it, and sprinkled it on top of our Oreo ice cream. Just to recap guys, I used 1 can of creme densada 410 ml and 5 packs of Oreo cookies without the filling. Now here's our Oreo ice cream. We're ready to freeze it and wait for a couple of hours. Okay, so there's our Oreo ice cream. Just gonna put it in there, leave it in there for a couple of hours, and currently it is 5:10 p.m. We're gonna go back later with our Oreo ice cream. Maybe at least 4 hours. Okay guys, it's almost 9 p.m. and let's try to check our ice cream. Ito na siya guys. So light, magaan lang siya guys. Look at that. And the other one. Luto na siya guys. Tingnan nyo. Hindi siya na Okay, are you excited? Let's open it.
Oh my god.
Who wants ice cream?
Me! Ice cream! Ice cream!
Ay, medyo wala pa nagawa na luto yung ito guys, medyo hindi pa siya luto kasi yung kita niyan. Medyo higli pa siya. So, let's just put it back up. Okay.
Hindi man masyado.
Oh. Natin yung isa. Let's try it. Now, it's tasting time guys. Here's our Oreo ice cream. Using 2 ingredients only, the Oreo cookies and the Angel creme densada. Look at that guys. Here's our Oreo ice cream. The texture is so fine. It looks like a real ice cream, and of course the taste is so good. It is not too sweet. It's just leveled, and you can actually start a little business having this homemade ice cream. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also I'd love to see your creation, so comment down below your own version of the homemade ice cream. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Bye! What you doing? What happened to your hair? Hey!